Today on Bittersweet Baking, we're going to be making a loaf of white bread, along with cinnamon honey butter. Hello and welcome to Season 2, Episode 3 of Bittersweet Baking. Today we're going to be making a loaf of white bread.
1 cup of flour gets put into the bowl for mixing. Measurements. You put that in the bowl. And also, you're going to need to add in the sugar, salt, and lastly, 1 bag of yeast. In bread, yeast is what makes it rise.
That's a science fact.
These are the ingredients, and you're going to want to mix them together using a rubber spatula.
For the next step, you're going to combine water, butter, and milk into a microwave-safe bowl. Then, microwave it in 15-second increments until very warm, but not hot to the touch.
That's the milk. Water. And butter. And that's it. It's really sketchy and kind of looks like an egg. You're going to combine the melted butter, milk, and water mixture into the flour and yeast mixture. Once combined, you're going to need to beat it for 2 minutes with an electric mixer, scraping the sides of the bowl occasionally. This is a dough hook and is used to mix dough. This is the electric mixer. Roll this piece of dough into a 12 by 7 inch rectangle using a rolling pin. Okay, you roll it into a ball and then you pinch the ends of the dough to seal it. So all this open air, you don't want to let the air in, so you have to pinch all the ends to seal it. Place the kneaded dough into a well-greased pan. Cover with towel and let rise in warm place until doubled size, about 45 minutes. We have here a warming jar, and we place the bread in a warm place for 45 minutes so it can rise. You got the bread, but you're going to want a nice topping for that too. This is a special recipe I've learned, and it's cinnamon honey butter, and it tastes like heaven in your mouth. I'm not going to lie, it's pretty good. Cinnamon, butter, mixture. Remove the bread from the pan by using a knife and invert onto a wire rack. Cool. We're gonna put it in the oven. That has been preheated to 400 degrees. That's some toasty stuff in there. And you're gonna bake it from at least 25 minutes.
Thank you for tuning in to Bittersweet Baking. We'll see you next week.